Six border police personnel died after the bus they were traveling in skided down a road and fell into a river in Yamuna and Kashmir today. At least 32 other personnel traveling in the bus have suffered injuries in the accident that occurred at Chandavari in Antnag district, reportedly due to brake failure. The bus, which was carrying 41 security forces personnel, 39 from Indo-Tibetan Border Police and 2 from Jammu and Kashmir Police, was on its way from Chandanwari to Pahalgam when the incident took place. In a road accident near Chandanwari, Palgam in Antnag district, 6 ITBP personnel got martyred, while as several others got injured who are being airlifted to Army Hospital Srinagar for treatment. Further details shall follow, tweeted Kashmir Zone Police. Hospitalizations are up in Delhi as the city reports a surge in coronavirus cases. Authorities warned on Tuesday, urging people to wear masks and observe COVID-19 precautions. We are witnessing a rise in COVID-19 infections consistently, high positivity and case of reinfection. It is essential that we realize that the pandemic is far from over. I appeal to all strictly adhere to COVID-19 appropriate behavior. We cannot afford to let our guards down, Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena tweeted. A Dalit boy's death in Rajasthan after his teacher allegedly assaulted him for drinking water from a pot meant for upper caste threatens to turn into a political crisis for the ruling party. Besides attack from opposition BJP, the Ashok Gehlot government is also facing the heat from its rank within. Panchanand Meghawal, Congress MLA from Baran Atru, has sent his resignation to the Chief Minister, saying he's deeply hurt by the death of the 9-year-old student. Flagging caste-related crimes in the state, he has accused the police of not acting quickly enough. Tamil Nadu's ruling DMK has filed a petition in the Supreme Court in the ongoing case about freebies, contending that scope of a freebie is very wide and there are a lot of aspects which need to be considered. The court is hearing a petition that has challenged the promise of freebies at election time, contending that this practice can bring financial ruin on a state. So far, Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party, known for providing free power and water in the state if it rules, has challenged the stance of the petition, which was filed by the BJP's Ashwini Upadhyay. Tamil Nadu is one of the states where the use of freebies at election time has been traditional, cutting across party lines. Even before elections, clothes, food and household items have been distributed among the people, sometimes in violation of model code. After Google's blood in the streets warning to its staff, Apple has now laid off many of its employees in an attempt to restrict its hiring and spending, a report said. According to Bloomberg, Apple sacked about 100 contract-based recruiters who were responsible for hiring new employees for the world's most valuable company. The workers whose contracts were terminated were informed they would receive payment and medical benefits for 2 weeks. Recruiters who are full-time employees were retained, the report said.